Hi, let's talk about binary tree right side view. So you are given a tree and then you are standing on the right, and then you are going to store the value to the list based on what you see from top to bottom. So you see 1, you see 3, you see 4, right? 1, 3, 4. And if 3 is not here, right? If 3 is not here, 4 is not here. So 1, 2, 5 will be your list. So what you should do is you need a queue to store every single element based on each level, and then you actually need a list to store the value when the queue size equal to 0. So let's just start coding. So queue tree node, just say queue, and queue is better use linked list, right? Okay, now example 3, root is null, right? So we return the list, empty list. So queue.add the root. By default, right, you need something first, right? So while queue is not empty, right, then we loop. So when we loop, we need a size, right? So it's queue.size, and then we need to decrement the size, right? So we decrement the size. So size minus greater than 0. So if size become, so we need to pop first. So temp equal to queue.poll, and then if size equal to 0, then we just add the value for the tree node, right? So we add 1, right, and then we poll 1, and then so the size of queue is 0, so we need to add to the list. So when we add to the list, we need to check the left and right? So if temp.left is not known, what you should do is you add to the queue.add temp.left, right? Same idea for temp.right. Temp.right. Now that will be your answer, right? So what you should do, you just return this, and let's just run it. Okay, made a typo, right, and let's do it again. Cool. Alright, let's talk about time and space. So you are actually visiting every single tree node, right? So it's O of n for the time, and the space, you are just taking each element for the tree, right? So it's all of the height, so all of h for the space. And I hope you get it. So this is a tricky way. So size minus greater than 0. So you subtract the size first, and you see if size equal to 0 or not. We usually use the for loop instead, but while loop is better in this situation. And I hope you get it, and it's not hard. Alright, peace.